Okay guys, I'm out running errands. I'm going to take you guys with me. I got to run to the gas station first, my first stop. When I get over there, I'm going to show you the price of our gas because more than likely it's going to be going up tonight. So I'll show you when I get there. There's the prices of our gas. Diesel. Well, not diesel, but it's gas. That's the prices. Next stop, Tim Hortons. Getting a drink before I can run some more errands. Just stopped by my dad's. I'm heading home there now. Dropped off some stuff to him. We got our gas and our Tim Hortons. I'm gonna go home and cook dinner now. And we're off work tonight, which is really nice. Along the cliff. It's +2, so I'm hoping it stays like bare road like this and the snow goes away, but that's wishful thinking. I'll show you one of our animal shelters. If I didn't have 2 pets, I'd go there and I'd take them all home with me. I love animals. This used to be when the Armed Forces was here. There's bunkers that go down right underground. They had it up for sale a while back ago. I'm assuming it sold. There was offices in there before. I don't know what's in there now. I have no idea because it's sold. That used to be our old recycling plant to the right. Not no more. I don't know what it. It's just a warehouse now, I'm assuming. These are all old buildings from when the Armed Forces base used to be here. That little blue house is our animal shelter. We do have another one in town. It's a brand new one. It was just built not too long ago, as a matter of fact. But that one there has been here since the start. Okay, and I got supper on the cook. There's a big, huge boiled ham in there. Plus there's potatoes down at the bottom. We're gonna have homemade potato salad with it. So I'll show you when it's all done. Okay, there's supper all done. Now all I got left to do is just put some paprika on the salad and that's it. Supper's done. Now, while supper was cooking, I planned out a few things that I've been putting off. I just got some regular butter containers for now. I'm gonna put them outside when the snow is gone. This is my garlic. That's green onion. And here's the lettuce I got growing. Is starting to come out. I planted this like about a week ago. I got to put more soil in it yet. But a new lettuce is all starting to grow. I also took some potato pieces and I got them planted in soil, and they should start growing soon. I only just planted them, so I'll show you the progress when they start to grow better.